Bania khwlainai rog borokni swnamjak manui rokno lukuroni bwskango phunuknani bagwi kaisa lama wngkha GEM eba Government e-Marketplace. Hastini Bania khwlainai rok o marketplace ni sep bahaike manui manai o naharmungno twiwi no srangsalo agulini town hall kaisa workshop songsajaka. O salni workshop o nograi wngwi manjak phaika hastini ferangtang bedekni Sachib Abhishek Singh asalni samang bwtangni pandao kognargnani thangwi Government e-Marketplace no twiwi srai joto kogno sawi khwnari khabo bosaka Bania khwlainai rogni bagwi abo kaisa kwtal platform o sepni bisingtwi Bania khwlainai rogni belaikhino chubachu wngnai khwnwi sawi mankha.
Finance department as well as the GEM authorities to organize this kind of program where they will be felicitating those who have done well also, as well as they will also be having some sessions today for better awareness and to prepare us better how to use the GEM portal to its best of facilities. Now, I don't know how many of you must have seen or worked when the GEM was not there. We used to have DGs and D rate contracts and similar kind of facilities. And I remember those days when it used to be very difficult to procure any item on the rate contract, especially some specific rate contracts used to be come out, and many times many of those vendors or many of those people who were shortlisted, they were not very keen to entertain DDOs from the smaller state or from the northeastern state because they had much larger stake of the larger state, bigger state.
O salni pandawa haste hafangni kubuni tangbedekni adung rokbo koknarkha. Bureau report. Kok khorang.